Imagine a forest, a place of harmony and tranquility where each inhabitant has a role to play. This is a world teeming with life, subtly humming with the soft whispers of nature. Picture, if you will, the towering trees that stand as the forest's sentinels, their roots plunging deep into the earth, forming an intricate web of connection. Contrary to popular belief, these trees are not solitary beings. Quite the opposite, in fact. They are part of a vast, complex communication network, a silent symphony playing out beneath the soil. Through this network, trees exchange vital nutrients and share crucial information, supporting each other in times of need. They pass on warnings of impending threats. They share their bounty when a neighbor is in need, and they nurture their young. All of this, unseen and unheard by us, occurs beneath the forest floor. In this seemingly silent world, a conversation is happening beneath our feet. Now let's delve deeper into the secret language of trees. Imagine, if you will, a vast invisible network weaving its way beneath the forest floor. This is not a scene from a science fiction novel, but the reality of our natural world. The network is known as the Wood Wide Web, a complex system of mycorrhizal fungi that connects trees, facilitating their communication. The Wood Wide Web is akin to the internet of the forest, a highway of information exchange. Trees, through this network, can share resources, send warning signals, and even, it seems, nurture their young. Dr. Suzanne Simard, a forest ecologist, was among the first to uncover this hidden world. Her research revealed that trees can send distress signals about drought and disease and share nutrients with neighboring plants. When a tree is nearing the end of its life, it doesn't go quietly. Instead, it releases its remaining nutrients into the network, a final gift to the community it has been a part of for so long. But the communication between trees goes beyond mere survival. They also have a sense of family. Trees can recognize their kin, their offspring, and give them preferential treatment. A mother tree might direct more nutrients towards her saplings, helping them grow strong in the shadowy understory. This discovery challenges our traditional view of trees as solitary beings. They are not alone, they are part of a community, interconnected and interdependent. They are engaged in a constant conversation, a dialogue of life and death, growth and decay, danger and safety. So, the next time you find yourself in a forest, remember this intricate network beneath your feet. Each rustle of leaves, each creak of a branch is part of a conversation that's been happening for millions of years. Trees, as it turns out, speak a language of their own. So what does this mean for us? A pertinent question indeed. Understanding the subtle language of trees and plants does more than just stoke our fascination. It holds the potential to revolutionize the ways we approach forestry and agriculture. By tuning into the silent conversations of the green world, we can develop more sustainable practices that respect the intricate web of connections in nature rather than disrupt them. Imagine an agriculture sector that operates in harmony with nature's rhythm, no longer at odds with it. Picture a forestry industry that nurtures ecosystems rather than depleting them. Can you envision it? This isn't a far-off dream, but a tangible reality we can strive towards thanks to the revelations about plant communication. The language of plants and trees, once thought to be the stuff of fairy tales, is real, intricate, and full of potential. The language of trees could change the way we see the world. What a remarkable thought indeed. In light of this, we are left with an intriguing question. If trees can communicate and support each other, are they conscious? This isn't a frivolous inquiry, mind you, but a profound contemplation that could reshape our perception of life itself. Some argue that consciousness requires a brain, and since trees lack such an organ, they can't possibly be conscious. Yet others counter that we must not limit our definition of consciousness to the confines of our human understanding. They suggest that trees might possess a form of consciousness that is different, yet no less valid than our own. If we consider the complex network of communication, the sharing of resources, the mutual support, could we not see a form of awareness, a sense of community? Yet we must tread carefully. Assigning consciousness to trees is a significant leap, fraught with philosophical and ethical implications. What would it mean for our understanding of life on Earth if we were to consider trees as conscious beings? It's a question worth pondering.